Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix lagging or stuttering problems of Redmi. You can see my phone's actually not working good. When I open the setting, you can see it's just opening after a second, so it's not actually scrolling. So we're gonna fix it. Open a setting, go on additional settings. So once tap over here, you will find accessibility. So open the accessibility over here on this menu. Then I will show you what you're gonna do here. You're gonna get to vision. So once tap over here, then you will get remove animation. So tap to turn on it. Once you just turn on, close everything in your Redmi phone, and you will see 50% of difference on your Redmi about its speed. So you can see it's working great. Even the setting, you can see this actually works great on my phone. You can try it to solve how to fix it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next week 12 videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.